Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge on your device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you want to open your settings, click on apps, and here you can see all of your apps that you have on your computer. Okay. So now you want to scroll down until you see Microsoft Edge. So just go ahead and click on that. As you can see, you cannot click on the uninstall button. Okay. So to uninstall this app, I want you to do is to X this, click on your this PC. Okay. Click on local disk C. Just gonna full screen this and click here at the program file times 86. And you want to click on Microsoft and click on Edge. Click on Application and you want to click this file where it has the numbers, okay? So your device should have a different number, so just go ahead and click on that file. So make sure that the file name is all numbers, so just go ahead and click on that. Click on Installer. So once you are here, I want you to do is to click on the text box here and you want to erase that and type CMD. Okay. So after that, just go ahead and click enter. And now I want you to paste the command here. I will put the command on the description box. Okay. Just go ahead and paste that there and click on enter when you are sure about your action. So once you click enter, there's some permission that you need to allow. Okay. So after that, your Microsoft Edge will be uninstalled on your device. So that's it. That is how you uninstall Microsoft Word. I'm sorry, Microsoft Edge. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.